Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO for the under this video you can subscribe and share this video. If you like this video, click on like. What I want to do, look at my beautiful hair. Look on my hair. This is Sennheiser Bluetooth headphone, wireless headphone bro. It's amazing. And today I have decided to change the parts. Look at that. Okay, let me show you how to change or replace this. Okay, it's the same action. Follow me. Subscribe today. Let's go. Okay, get ready bro to do this. Look at that. What is this? Amazing. As you can see, Sennheiser logo is here for you. This is Sennheiser wireless headphone. Where's the version? The version is here under. This is HD 4.40 BT. This headphone is nice. It's wonderful. I bought this headphone 3 months ago. I make a video on GNANGSTUDIO 40 to show you this. And many months later, as you can see, my beautiful headpad is not good. It's not good, and I want to change this pro. And I want to change this, bro. This is bad. It's not beautiful, bro. Look at that. As you can see, this iPhone working well. No problem with this, but the problem is my headpad. You need absolutely to replace this. How to remove this beautiful headpad? Let's do it. As you can see, you can turn your headpad just like that. Okay, now be careful. Start under. Okay, do this. Okay, can you see this? You can do this just like that, and wonderful. From here, remove. Okay, this is the first. Look at that. You need to watch this, bro. If you don't want to buy another headpad, you can watch this. Okay, use water. Okay, and watch this. Thank you. This is the first. Look at under now. Look at that now. Look at that. As you can see, it's so beautiful. This is nice, no problem with this. It's so nice, it's beautiful, very beautiful. You need only to change this, the headpad pro. This is what I'm talking about. Thank you. Okay, let's remove the second. Do the same action. Start under, just like that. Okay, yeah, just like that. Okay, okay, be careful and beautiful, amazing. And now you can remove all of this. Wow, look at the second. What the hell? Excuse me. Look at that. It's also bad. It's not good. Look at the buff now. What do you think, bro? What do you think? This is what I'm talking about. You need to buy a new headpad, and enjoy yourself. If you want to put this headpad on this thing, you need to do also the same action. Look at here, you need to put this into this border, okay, into you can see here, look at here, there are this thing, okay, nothing here. You need to put this just like that, okay, like that. Okay, come here, look at here, it's under. You can start under and go to replace this, to put this into, you need to start, okay, here to down, okay, to down. Now let's do it. Put this just like that, okay, look at that. Put this just into, okay, just like that, okay. As you can see, it's under, into, okay. Now you continue the job, put, okay, into, okay, continue the job, okay. As you can see, the process continue. You need to continue, bro, okay. As you can see, no problem, working, okay. This is not difficult. You can do this, put this into, okay, just like that, okay, just like that. It's simple, bro. If you follow my method, you will be successful, okay. Happy New Year's, bro. Happy New Year's, my subscribers and new subscribers. GNANGSTUDIO for this is here, and as you can see, finally it's done, okay. Look at, very good, done, but it's not finished. When you finish to put this just like that, you need to do something like that, okay. Slowly do this, slowly, okay. When you do this and you can do this again, it's good, wonderful, it's good, okay. Now beautiful, you can use your headpad easily. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. Wow, this is amazing, it's great, and wow, I like it. What do you think about this, bro? What do you think about this? Say to me what you think about this under this video, and subscribe today. Wow, look at that, look at into, bro, amazing. I like this headphone. This headphone is one of the beautiful headphones that you can find on the market for your money. Look at, yeah, look at, yeah, look at that. Wow, you can put this, you can do this, do this again, and you can also do something special like that. What? How is possible? Do you want to break my headphone? No! Look at, wonderful. Look at that. Oh, don't break my headphone! Don't break my headphone! No, nothing. This is a beautiful headphone, bro. Look at that. Oh, don't break my headphone! No, no! Boom! It's super flexible, bro. It's super flexible. No problem with this. What? This is why I like more this headphone, and I want to buy a new headpad to replace this beautiful headpad, okay. Thank you. You can also help me to do this. You can make donation on my PayPal under this video. If you have more information about my PayPal, you can also click on GNANGSTUDIO to go on my page, my YouTube homepage, and you can also make donation if you want, bro. If you want to help me. Look at that. Wow, it's so beautiful, bro. Look at. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. As you can see, bro, it's so beautiful. I love my headpad, but I love my headphone by my headpads. It's so dirty, so bad. I want to remove this right now with you. I want to buy a new headpad, bro. Okay. What is this? That was my headpad, bro. My headphone is here for you. Subscribe today. Wonderful.